Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to undo changes on Wix, whether you're tweaking your site's design or need to roll back to a previous version altogether. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident navigating Wix's undo tools and site history, so you never have to worry about accidents or second thoughts slowing you down. Let's dive right in. Imagine you're making a bunch of edits to your Wix site. Maybe you moved a gallery, changed some text, or resized a button, and now you're thinking, wait, that didn't turn out quite like I wanted. No problem at all. The simplest way to reverse your last action in the Wix editor is with a tried and true keyboard shortcut. Just hit Ctrl+Z on Windows, or CMD+Z if you're on a Mac. Instantly, your previous move is undone. If you realize you actually liked that change and want it back, simply redo by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Z or CMD+Shift+Z. These shortcuts are really handy and they work pretty much like they do in other software. Just a quick combo and you're back to your earlier state. This undo and redo functionality covers all sorts of design actions. So if you've moved an element, resized something, changed a headline, even added or deleted sections, you can use these shortcuts to move swiftly backward or forward. But I get it. Sometimes when you're deep in the creative process, keyboard shortcuts slip your mind. Wix has you covered with a couple of very clear icons in the top bar of the Studio editor. You'll see an undo arrow running left and a redo arrow curving right. Click these anytime, and you can jump back through your recent actions with just a tap. Think of it like tracing your steps backward on a hiking trail. If you wander off and want to get back to the main path, just click undo until everything looks right again. Now, let's suppose you made bigger changes. Maybe you spent hours redesigning a page, saved those changes, and even published the site. Later, you decide you liked the old version better. Or maybe something broke and you need to restore it. This is where site history comes to the rescue. Head to your Wix dashboard and go to your site. On the left menu, click on Settings and then find Site History. Here's the magic. Wix saves versions of your site automatically, sort of like taking a snapshot at different moments. You can scroll through a list of these older versions, and if you aren't sure which one to pick, you can use the Preview button to see exactly what each version looked like at the time it was saved. Take your time exploring. Don't worry if you need a few minutes here, because restoring the right version is worth it. Once you've found the spot you want to return to, just hit Restore and Wix will roll your whole site back to that saved state. This feature is especially helpful if you've made a big overhaul, maybe changed your site layout or deleted lots of sections, and the basic undo isn't enough to get you back where you want to be. Think of site history like a safety net under your creative process. No matter what changes you've made, you can always jump back to an earlier moment. So that's everything you need to know about undoing changes on Wix, whether you're quickly fixing a minor tweak or reverting an entire design. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have more questions about Wix, drop a comment below. I always check them and love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and happy website editing.